I'm not sure I have what it takes to become a coach. Can I charge people for helping them? Who would listen to me? Now, it's very natural and common to have these questions rattling around through your mind. And it stems from something known as the imposter syndrome. You see, when we grow and expand our lives, we sometimes have this little voice inside our head that doesn't always support us. And it's a little voice that I'm sure you may have heard before that loves to create self-doubt by saying things like, we're not quite ready yet to become a coach. And it's that little voice that tells us things like, I don't have enough certifications in coaching yet. Nobody will ever value what I have to say. I don't even know what a coach does. Now, in essence, this little voice basically attempts to convince us that we are acting as an imposter in our own life and that we couldn't possibly ever be successful at something like coaching. But here's what I've learned after conducting well over 10,000 one-on-one coaching sessions and having trained well over 2,000 people to become internationally certified coaches. This is what I know. Anyone can become a successful coach. Now, here's the thing. It's because coaching is not actually a gift. It's not a natural talent. Coaching is a skill. And you and I both know that skills can be learned. Look, it doesn't actually matter how old you are. It doesn't matter if you've never coached anyone before. It doesn't matter if your current career has nothing to do with coaching in any way, shape, or form. And it really doesn't matter if you don't know how you could add value to others right at this moment. None of that matters. This is what I know. With the right training, all of those concerns will start to be replaced by the confidence that you have somewhere deep inside. You see, as a coach, you don't actually have to be an expert in any particular field. That's because when it comes to coaching, your client knows more about their situation than you do. So deep down, your client already knows 90% of the answers that they require. Your job as a coach is to empower your client to find the answers for themselves. I mean, that's what it's about, to identify their blind spots, to give them guidance towards success in each session. In fact, here's all you actually need to be successful as a coach. Number one, you need to genuinely love helping people. Number two, you need to be able to listen and understand where people are coming from. Number three, you need to be good at asking the right questions at the right time. Number four, you need to like learning knowledge and giving advice. And number five, you need to be honest with yourself and others. And that's it. That's all. That's it. In fact, all it takes is just a little bit of courage to step up and get started on your journey as a coach. So if you're ready to take action and live the life you've always dreamed of having, here's some good news for you. I'm running a free online coaching course where you'll discover everything you need to start and grow your coaching business. It's a powerful one-day course called How to Become a Highly Successful Coach. And it's perfect for both new and existing coaches. Why? Because you get the best of everything I've learned over the last 10 years and 10,000 hours of one-on-one coaching sessions, all in one convenient day. So if you want to find out more or book in for your free ticket right now, simply click the link below. Do you have what it takes to become a coach? Let's find out. Can you charge people for helping them? Let's find out. Who would listen to you as a coach? Let's find out, and let's find out together. So make a start by clicking the link below and registering for your free ticket now.